show an experiment how important is washing our hands during corona. So I will show you. Rishi, how to wash your hands? How do you wash your hands? Okay. Do slowly. A bit fast. Yeah. Like this and like this and like this. Like this and like this. Yeah. Now we are going to show you. First, take any pepper you have at home. Pepper. And then sprinkle some of the pepper. And imagine these pepper are germs. So, this is pepper. These are germs. So, and now, see, if you keep it there, it starts going away. This is how important it is to wash your hands. See now, did you see it? How did it go away? Stay home, stay safe, wash your hands, take break up. If you wash your hand one time, wait for 2 hours, then wash another time. Bye. Subscribe, like and hit the bell like and share it with your friends and family. Bye.
Bye.